Welcome to science. We have a few rules. We have a few rules for online class, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask some of you guys to read. When I ask you to unread, just unmute yourself and read. Who would like to read number 1? Who would like to read number 1? Let's have always be on, and your name must be the one you use in class so we can call on you, okay? I'll read it one more time. Your camera must always be on and your name must be what it is in class so we can call on you. Okay, so please do not change your name. Okay, and make sure you always have your camera on. Make sure you always have your camera on. Once again, I'm sorry I do not have my camera today. I will be getting one hopefully by tomorrow. Okay. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Complete your homework before class and follow the directions on how to turn it in, okay? On how to turn it in. So you'll have homework almost every night, but you have to make sure you turn it in before class, not after class, okay? You need to turn it in before class the following day. Now, depending on the homework, you might have to take a picture, you might have to complete a quizzes, okay? So just keep that in mind. Make sure you turn it in, okay? To Miss Wyhan, okay? Whenever you have it, make sure you turn it in to Miss Wyhan. And if you have a question about homework, you can always message her, okay? You can always message her. Okay, number 3, I will call on people at random. So we will call on people to answer questions or read at random. So you have to make sure you're paying attention. I can call on you at any time. I can call on you at any time, okay, and ask you to answer a question. So make sure you're always looking at your screen and paying attention, okay? Okay. So we're gonna practice raising our hand. First, let's try to raise our hand on Zoom. Can everyone try to find the button reactions? You should have a button on your computer called reactions, and you should be able to click raise your hand. Can everyone try to raise their hand now? Can everyone try to raise their hand now? You should have a button on your computer to raise your hand. Click raise your hand. I see you guys clapping. Daisy's clapping, but try to click the button that says raise your hand. Banana's got it. Banana was the first one to get it. Good job, Banana. Can everyone click the button that says reactions? You should see a button that says reactions. Click the button reactions and then click raise your hand. Raise your hand. Oh, we have another one. Mayan, very good. iPad did it. Banana's back. I have 4 people raising their hands. Good job. Kwangchi, good job. Harry, good job. Harry, good job. Harry had it. Anyone else? Okay, so about half of you, a little bit more than half of you got it. Good job for everyone that figured it out. You can click reactions and raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you have a question. If you have a question. Remember, when answering questions, I will call on you guys randomly. I'll call out one of your names at random. Okay? So I'm going to lower everyone's hand. Good job. Can you raise your hand? So another way to ask a question, if I'm not noticing you're raising your hand on Zoom, you can raise it in real life. Can everyone raise their hand in their video? Can I see everyone raising their hand in their video? Good job, Mayan. Good job, Banana. Kongchi, raise your hand. There you go. Daisy's raising her hand. Harry, good job raising your hand. Yeah, you can raise your hand on the video as well. I can see most of your videos right now. I mean, good job, Minkwei. Good job. Very good, everyone. Yeah, you can raise your hand in the video if you have something interesting you want to say, okay? You guys can stop raising your hand. Good job. Okay, so now there's a really hard word here. It's called practice annotation. Practice annotation, okay? So I'm going to draw or annotate. So annotation is just to draw, okay? So annotation equals draw. So this word just means to draw. Annotation means draw. So we're going to practice annotating. Now, you have to look for the button that says annotation. You're looking for this word. You're looking for this word right here, annotation. You're going to click annotation, okay? And then you can draw on the screen once you click the drawing. So I'm going to allow you guys, oh, you guys could have done it already. I'm going to enable annotation. You guys now practice drawing wherever you want on the screen. Draw wherever you want on the screen. You can draw me a smiley face. You can draw me a heart. You can draw me whatever you guys want, okay? I turned it on. Can anyone figure out how to draw? Banana's got something. Daisy's drawing, very good. Banana's having fun drawing. Good job, Daisy. Good job drawing. Yeah, guys, come on, draw. Minquay, good job. iPad, you should write your name. I'm going to clear all the drawings. You guys can keep on drawing, guys. Practice drawing. Okay, guys, good job. Good job annotating. Let's practice now again. But I'm going to disable you guys. Clear all your drawings. Yeah, so when I ask you guys to draw, make sure you guys draw clean and straight lines. Make sure your lines are nice and straight, okay? You can draw something like this. If your line looks like this, that's okay. Maybe I ask you to circle something, or your circles might look like this. This is all okay. But when you're drawing, make sure you only draw lines and circles depending on what the question is. Let's practice a problem in where you guys would have to draw. Okay. Let's circle the triangle. Who can circle the triangle? So I'm going to turn on annotation, and I want everyone to circle the triangle. Let's see who can get it first. Who can circle the triangle first? Okay, you guys can all draw starting now. Who can draw first? Who's going to draw around the triangle first? Circle the triangle. Banana got it first again. Mintu, it was second. Very good. Remember, if you don't know where to click, click annotate. Click annotate and then click the button draw. Click the button draw. Okay, I think everyone's figured it out. Most people have figured it out. Okay, so I saw everyone circle the triangle. Good job, everyone that circled the triangle. Okay, let's try a problem from your book. Let's try a problem from your book. Okay, let's practice. Who wants to read the question? Who can read the question for us? Let's have, how about Mintu? Mintu, you want to read? There you go, Mintu. Can we read it together? This plant?
This plant is a
lily.
Lily.
Circle.
Circle the plant.
Circle the picture.
Picture.
That.
That.
Also.
Also.
Shows.
Shows.
A lily.
Lily.
Very good. Good reading. Yeah, so this plant shows a lily. So can we circle the plant that also shows a lily? Let's see who circles it first this time. It's a race. It's a race. Who can circle it first? In 3, 2, 1, circle the lily. Everyone tried to circle the lily. Who's going to be first? Bang An was first, I think. Very good. Come on, circling. Okay, I'm going to disable everyone. I'm going to draw a circle of what you circled. Very good job, guys. You all managed to circle the lily. You circled the lily. Okay. And remember, we talked about how you can look at its pattern and shape. You saw the pattern and the shape, and you guys chose the lily. Very good. Let's practice annotating one more time this class. One more time. We're going to practice one more time. But first, let's have someone read. Mayan, would you read this for us? Try to unmute yourself, Mayan. There you go.
This leaf is from a parent tree. Circle the picture that shows each young.
Great job. So let's do what she says. So let's circle the plant, okay? Circle the correct plant. Let's see who's first this time, okay? Once again, it's a race. So in 3, 2, 1, circle the correct plant. Circle the correct plant. Let's practice annotating one more time. Yeah, Bangong was first again. Good job, everyone. Okay, banana. Remember, don't circle the entire screen. Just circle one plant. Anyone else want to answer? Come on, guys. You guys can all answer. Okay, let's see. I'm going to disable the drawing. Okay, so someone circled this. This plant on the right is not correct. I'm going to erase it as not correct. The one in the middle was correct. Let's talk about your homework. So your classes are only 30 minutes. Your class is only 30 minutes. So you guys will have work at home probably every night, okay, for homework, okay? These will only have 30 minutes together. So tonight, I'm going to go over your homework and we're going to read an example, okay? So number 1, the first thing you want to do is choose your favorite plant or animal. Choose your favorite plant or animal. Okay, it could be a lion, it could be a tiger. He wants to tell me their favorite animal. He wants to tell me their favorite animal. Okay, let's try banana. I know banana can. Banana, what's your favorite animal?
Lion.
Okay.
Lion and a hungry plant.
A hungry plant. Okay. Mayan, what's your favorite animal or plant?
My favorite animal is a cat.
A cat.
Yeah.
Okay, so choose your favorite animal or plant, and I would like you guys to write one way the young and parent are the same. Write one way the young and parent are different. So give me one thing that is the same, one thing that is different, and it should just be 2 to 3 sentences. So something really short. And submit a picture of what you write. Submit a picture of what you write. So you guys need to write these 2 sentences, take a picture of it, okay? And then you need to send it to Miss Yan, okay? So I'm going to give you guys an example. This is what Mr. Connor wrote. This is what Mr. Connor wrote. So follow along if you can read it. My favorite animal is a deer. My favorite animal is a deer. Both the young and parent have fur. Both the young and parent have fur. That is something that is the same. The parent has antlers. The parent has antlers. Remember, antlers are kind of like horns, But the baby deer does not. The baby deer does not. So I gave you one thing that is the same and one thing that is different. So that is an example of your homework. Once you finish your homework, you take a picture, okay? And then you send it into Miss Yan, okay?